Quasi quasi mangio una bella pizza. Quasi quasi vado a letto. Quasi quasi, what does it mean? To better understand, let's look at two almost identical sentences. What's the difference between the two? Prendo un caffè. Quasi quasi prendo un caffè. In the first sentence, we've already decided that we're having a coffee. Prendo un caffè. I'm having a coffee. And that's that. The second sentence is almost identical except that it's introduced by quasi quasi. So what does quasi quasi mean? And how does it change the meaning? Quasi quasi is simply expressing uncertainty. Quasi quasi prendo un caffè. I might just have a coffee. I'm considering it. I'm tempted, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Quasi quasi prendo un caffè. Let's look at another two sentences. Vado a letto. Quasi quasi vado a letto. Again, the second sentence is introduced by quasi quasi and therefore means I might go to bed. I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure yet. Quasi quasi vado a letto. I might just go to bed. Quasi quasi vado a letto. Quasi quasi can also stand alone in reply to a question. Ti va una birra? Quasi quasi. Maybe, possibly. I'm tempted. Mangiamo una pizza? Quasi quasi. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up as it really does help the channel.